Seeing just some sun, some clouds, 17, and probably the same sort of thing. The south coast, just a bit of a patchy cloud. Were parts of Ireland in across the southwest, providing some of us with some cloud, patchy rain. But the further north and east you are, it isn't a bad-looking afternoon. But seeing most of the wet weather across southwest parts of England for the afternoon, so not picnicking weather here really. And notice as well, the rain is a bit bitty. It's not a complete washout, but thickening cloud coming into, say, the southeast towards London. Also the Midlands, and temperatures reasonably mild for many, perhaps getting to 22, 23, and all of this patchy rain and drizzle working its way gradually to the east-northeast through the day. So perhaps getting to Wimbledon maybe between 5 and 7 p.m. Some drizzle maybe knocking on the doorsteps. The thickening cloud as well. But notice as well, further northeast you are, parts of Scotland, fairly pleasant, but with the clearer skies tonight, 8 or 9 in Scotland, but mild, 15 to 17 further south and east. But a drizzly, murky night and a start to the day as well, say from parts of the southeast. Bits and pieces of rain on our little weak weather front of sorts that works its way across northern England for the first part of the day and tailing its way back as well into western Scotland. But notice, eastern Scotland, northeast Scotland, Aberdeen, a fine bright start to the day at 12. The rain on the doorsteps of Belfast for the first part of Saturday, 14. And quite a clump of rain here, and the winds beginning to pick up as well. The beginnings of a low, quite a windy low, that'll work in towards the south and the west. But there's a lot of mist as well for the first part of the day, parts of Wales in towards the south and the west, and a mild start, Cardiff, Plymouth, starting the day at about 17. So this weather system working its way in, bits and pieces of rain to say the least coming through, the main clump of rain sliding through, and our weak little weather front, that slips through, and through the day will brighten the skies, parts of Wales, through the Midlands, still going to keep some cloud on those western coasts, and by the afternoon in the brighter skies, temperatures for some in more muggy air, 21 to maybe 24. The problem is Saturday night into Sunday, the winds rotating around quite a deep low for this time of year across western parts of Northern Ireland in through, say, western Scotland. You can see the winds spinning around. That's the reason why a troublemaker, quite a deep low for the summer, and a weather front slipping through, a band of rain that comes through and might hang about somewhat over the southeast, could cause problems for Wimbledon on Sunday. We'll see how it goes as it slips through. Temperatures a bit fresher in the wind as well, maybe up to about 20 or so. That's the weather for now. Now back to Darren.
Thank you, Dan. Now at half.
Well, it's stayed fine for Live 8, but across Scotland, we're talking about gale.